أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Duha. Okay. The whole surah, just 11 ayahs inshallah. So first I'm going to recite, after that let's look into the tajweed rulings, okay? Fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. Alhamdulillah, just 11 ayahs. Let's learn the tajweed rulings of these ayahs now inshallah. Ayah number 1, Wadduha. Okay, Waw is connected to the word, the letter Dod of the word Ad-Duha. Okay, Hamzat al-Wasl and Lam al-Shamsiyah is not recited. This Dod should not sound like a Za and also not like a Dal. It's not Waddu, it is Waddu. From sides, Hafatul lisan, edges of your tongue, either left or right or both the edges. Okay, left and right touching the upper roots of upper molar and premolar teeth, or the gums of upper molar and premolar teeth. Inner gums, it should be wadu, wadu, not wadu, wadu, waduha, ha very sharp. And here the standing fatha is followed by this ya, right? So this is actually alif makhsura, not standing fatha, not alif saghira, but alif makhsura, which is stretched for 2 haraka while stopping and also while continuing. Okay, so as we are stopping here, we will stretch it for 2 count. والضحى والليل إذا سجى والليل, not والليل, والليل, ليلي والليل إذا, no buzzing sound in zal, not إذا, إذا 2 count. سجى جيم for 2 حركة ألف مخصورة. والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى. ما ودعك, ود emphasize dal, عك not hamza, it is a عين. ودعك ربك رهوي. ما ودعك ربك وما قلى. وما قلى, not قلى, it should be heavier, and also don't recite it like a kha, it is a qaf. Okay, وما قلى, again ending with alif makhsura, stretch it for 2 count. Alif makhsura is just like the alif saghira, just like a standing fatha, stretching it for 2 count while doing waqf and also during the wasl. Okay, ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى. This lam has sakin, don't do qalqala there. Walal, that is wrong. Walal akhiratu, akhi, Right to raw heavy. Khayrun. Kha is heavy and also I kind of sound to this ya lean. Ra dhammatan is heavier. Khayrun. Okay. But this run, noon is not recited here. We will connect it to lam directly as we are doing idgham without gunna, idgham kamil. Khayrul. Khayrul. Okay, not run. Khayrul laka minal ula. Ula, both for two haraka. While stopping, this is alif maqsura. We will be stretching it for 2 count, inshallah. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى. وَلَسَوْفَ, not وَلَسَوْفَ. Sofa is wrong. وَلَسَوْفَ, سَوْفَ, أو kind of sound. يُعْطِيكَ, ayn should be clear. Don't recite it like yutika, yutika, as if you're just removing that ayn, right? Then that will be a wrong word. So you have to recite that ayn, and also letter ta should be heavier, not yutika. يُعْطِيكَ, يُعْطِيكَ. Okay, يُعْطِيكَ. Ta heavy and also for 2 haraka due to this ya maddiya. Rabbuka, ra heavy. Fatarda, fatar, ra sakin heavy, dad heavy, but don't make this a ta heavy like fatarda, ta, that is wrong. Fatar, fatarda. Dad should not sound like a za and also not like a dal. It's not fatarda. Okay, fatarda. 2 haraka while stopping. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى. Alam, mim sakin with no extra gunna, izhar shafawi. Alam yajidka, ya is here. This is for the ya and this is a jeen. Yajid, dam qalqala. Yajidka yatiman. Tanween is followed by fa. We will do ikhfa here. Yatiman fa'awa. Yatiman. 2 haraka gunna with ikhfa. Yatiman fa'awa. A and wa both for 2 haraka. This is the standing fatha. It is the alif maqsura, but this, alif saghira. This is alif maqsura. Just because of this ya, we call the standing fatha as alif maqsura. Okay. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى. ووجدك, there are 2 vowels here. You read it correctly. Wa, not wawa. Okay. Wawajadaka. All the letters here for 1 haraka. You can see they all have fatha on it, right? Don't stretch any of it. Wawajadaka, wawajadaka ضالًا. Okay, here there is the letter dad which has fatha. You'll have to make it heavier, and also alif madya followed by a letter carrying tashdeed. So this is mad al-lazim kalimi musaqqal. Musaqqal means due to tashdeed, right? The strength is more. Stretch it for 6 haraka, and also do a little nabar here so that you don't weaken the strength of this tashdeed. Give a little time on that lam, just like how you give the time to tajdeed, because what happens is due to this longest mad is bit light, right? Due to this longest mad, what happens, the strength of tajdeed will get lower. That is why we will have to do a little nabar, rising the accent so that we pronounce lam with tajdeed. فهدى لن فهدى. إخفاء 2 حركة غنة. لن فهدى. الدال for 2 حركة. ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى. ووجدك, same word again, and all the letters with the just fatha, only one count. ووجدك عائلا. Ain, not Hamza, and also Alif Mad followed by Hamza in the same word. Mad al Wajib Muttasil, stretch it for 4 haraka. Ailan. Tanween followed by Fa. Now you will do Ikhfa here for 2 count. Ailan Fa'aghna. Don't recite it like Faghna, Faghna. Don't merge this Hamza with Fatha of letter Fa, okay? فأغنى, and the ghain is a letter for rikhava. Rikhava means the sound should flow. What you are doing is you are just doing qalqala there, like fa'agh, agh. This is wrong. فأغنى, أغنى. Okay, noon is for 2 harika due to this alif maksura. ووجدك عائلا فأغنى. فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر. فأما Fa and Hamza, don't merge them like Famma, Famma, it is wrong. Fa'amma, Mim Mushaddad, 2 count Gunna. But this Alif Maddiya, which we have to stretch actually, but now will not be stretched. Why? Because we are connecting it to the word with Hamzatul Wasl. Iltaqa Sakin and ruling, cancel this Alif Maddiya. Fa'ammal yatima. Okay. Yatima, Fala, Lam for 2 haraka. تقهر, قاف with the qalqala and ha very blunt sound from the last part of your throat. Ra sakin is already there. There is no need to add sakin while doing waqf, because there is already a permanent sukoon that will not change to anything while doing waqf. Okay, so we will pronounce it heavier because of this fatha. تقهر, haru. Okay. فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر. وأما السائل فلا تنهر. وأما, again don't recite wamma. Okay, you should not merge Hamza with the letter with the fatha. Okay, wamma is wrong. Wa amma, Mim Mushaddad 2 count Gunna, but this Alif Madya is not read during wasl. Wa amma sa'ila, 4 harika, Mad al Wajib Muttasil. Fala, again Lam for 2 count. Tanharu, Tanhar, ha with a blunt sound, and this Ra Sakina should be heavier. Okay, Tanhar. وأما السائل فلا تنهر. وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. وأما, not wamma, وأما, Mim Mushaddad 2 count Gunna, and also 2 harika stretching due to the Alif Maddiya. بنعمة, Ain clear, not nimati, nimati, bi-ni'mati, and also don't recite ni'mati. It is not an Urdu word here, it is Arabic. Bi-ni', okay, not a ne. Bi-ni'mati rabbika, ra heavy, rabbika fahaddith. Ha very sharp, and this dal should be emphasized due to tajdeed. Sa, which already has sukoon here, will be pronounced without any whistling sound, not fahaddith, fahaddith. Okay. وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ. Alhamdulillah. So an easy surah, very easy rulings. So you will inshallah recite this tomorrow with no mistakes. Okay. We have completed learning Surah Duha. If you have any doubts with the tajweed rulings, you can ask me. Inshallah, I'm going to turn your mics on. After that, let's recite this for many times, inshallah. Any doubts? سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.